In the heart of Gujarat, where tradition meets technology, lies a facility where raw materials transform into engineered masterpieces. Welcome to the Sand Casting Unit, Gujarat Precision Cast Pvt Limited, a place where precision is not just a goal, it's a commitment. Here, the Earth's most resilient elements are casted into building blocks of modern industry. With each pour, we shape the future, crafting components that power engines, drive innovation, and build the world around us. Since its inception in 1994, Gujarat Precision Cast Pvt Limited, or GPCL, has been at the forefront of the casting industry, earning a stellar reputation both nationally and internationally. GPCL isn't just a name, it's a symbol of quality, innovation, and trust. Sprawled over an expansive 35,000 square meters, our sand casting unit stands as a beacon of advanced engineering and automation. With cutting-edge technology and a commitment to excellence, GPCL's sand casting unit produces superior quality steel castings that meet the rigorous standards of the global market. Every masterpiece starts with a blueprint. Our pattern shop is where creativity meets precision. Here, skilled artisans and advanced CNC machines work together to create patterns that define the accuracy and quality of each casting. From simple designs to intricate geometries, we craft the foundation that ensures perfection in every product. Innovation drives us. Our use of advanced simulation software and 3D design studios allow us to predict and perfect every casting, reducing lead times and increasing efficiency. Our molding process utilizes the alkaline phenolic or alpha set no-bake method combined with the IMF Italy semi-automatic loop line, ensuring consistent quality across all our castings. From carbon steel to super duplets, our range of materials meets the needs of the most demanding applications. At the heart of our operation lies our furnace capacity, ranging from 350 kg to 4,500 kg. Our medium frequency induction furnaces enable us to deliver casting with precision, ranging from a few kilograms to 2,500 kg per piece, ensuring that every detail is crafted to perfection. Our in-house heat treatment facilities include annealing, quenching, and tempering, combined with a rigorous final inspection process, guarantee that each product not only meets but exceeds customer expectations. At the forefront of quality assurance, our non-destructive testing or NDT facility is where precision meets reliability. Our experts perform dye penetrant, radiographic and magnetic particle inspections, ensuring that every component maintains structural integrity without a single compromise. The industry premise is equipped with state-of-the-art mechanical testing, chemical analysis and sand testing facilities, ensuring precise quality control and adherence to industry standards throughout the process. Precision engineering starts here, in our machine shop, equipped with state-of-the-art CNC milling, drilling and turning stations. Our dedicated team meticulously machines and prepares components, achieving unparalleled accuracy for the most demanding applications. What truly sets GPCL apart is our dedicated workforce. Over 250 skilled employees bring their expertise and passion to every project, ensuring that we deliver on time, every time. With a presence in over 15 countries, including the USA, Germany, Australia and Belgium, GPCL is proud to be a global leader in the casting industry. Our 80% export distribution is a testament to the trust our international clients place in us. Quality is our promise. GPCL is certified by renowned authorities such as TUV, DNV, Bureau Veritas, NORSOC, ABS and Lloyd's Register. Our state-of-the-art testing facilities ensure that every product meets international standards of excellence. From valves and pumps to railways, oil and gas, cryogenic and power, GPCL's products are integral to critical sectors worldwide. We produce 2,400 metric tons of castings annually, each designed to perform under the most challenging conditions. At GPCL, we treat our customers as partners. We provide complete solutions from development to on-time delivery, ensuring an extraordinary customer experience every step of the way. Our sand casting unit is committed to environmental sustainability with a green industrial premise powered by solar energy. We prioritize eco-friendly practices to minimize our environmental footprint and promote renewable energy use. Gujarat Precision Cast Pvt Limited, where innovation meets precision and quality is forged in every casting. GPCL, delivering excellence globally.